forward bonte de ne ni akra prekope junior no donipa ono hu a onimu kra na otimi hwa o sehwe oni ma say boss be for boss sa junior de me ni junior starting o kru fu ma say enye ne ache e ka say e ka ebia momre no enso time no ebe doso na me ball tofa ama amanfo hu hawa junior city ne kwaya me faso a menim junior junior aye ti say de me kan no man ko hia no abonte na say junior minua prekope ti say de me kan no ena me so me di kai wo America ansana ono so ba ho ono ye ba ho ntimi be say hu kwan kra fa so hia junior ena me say junior wan hia no be say ko hia no ha na be hia no ase ha se ya unyini ya wo to wana na unyini ya oni junior na nyini what is the junior about USA wa be council na how was the feel like o feel say me feel say like we make it out because America no quite far so junior fast by no it was like a yen penny na the fast so mutimi making it eba ebi mo ba ma ye chi wo mo sa back ebi mo ba enye ye ma omo ba ono no ate se wono bibia obeye bia na so so bibia mo na ai o ka so wo kwa bibia junior be ka so be obeye bia no na wa fast na wa ye mo fi mi ntwo no o ka se kwa junior fast ba America obi na fa wa wan kotoka nko fa play na US ana David junior anfa kotoka junior kofa Brazil ena okofa Panama ene sa nkrunkru na me ko sa nkrunkru so da so ebia na me hunhunu de we mesa bodin no but of fa sa nkrunkru no kakra no bedu ansa no bedu American border.
Let's go.
Baby girl, me I want to spoil you. Forget to talk, if you do I go.
Sana eno kwa na tese honum come detain be 3 months bi e wo honum e wo American prison ansa na mo be yi no ne all that stuff na say na obebe inside to America no so junior ba America na juma be na oye junior ba America for no de oba na oye gas station adwuma kakra ba na gas station adwuma na awum honum no gas station adwuma ne ente say I te say ha say ba ha say de no say awiabo to mu gya obuma ni pakokra na o gya so be chele ba honum no de awo mu aye snow mu ogina wo ni musa betu agina mafiti anopa to anwumre ana anwumre tu ade eche tina wo wom ni sa na mane ye tina wo gas station adwuma first ansana me manager gas station adwuma no abafie ansana me pe bibia asana ye be start amana ye bibi kakra. Okay, so from gas filling station adwuma no na wo mum gas filling station adwuma na wo hia no America hono there be gas station adwuma no fair me no ka me say adwuma we dey want me ye no person oba Philly. Okay. Yeah, and I'm catching say me wo Philly to omra Philly. Na Philly dey beboa no Philly dey me wo hon kwa dey bibia ni am so no mu meboa na manaye the way niam na me so me ye na kakra wo honom no meboa na manaye sa ne mani bi kakra wo honom amana boa na mana konani for security reasons intimi diving into najuma oye that one on a private aspect junior be council no na eno me kose be council na ya na o se ba kofo de ya na bibia ekosoma ba be council no na ase abe yemienu na otimo se like osomu me ko be na me somu na osomu a na ase bibia ekosoma ye o se ba kofo o se we ya ase na onko ano de bia no na ama enema rough kakrabat obesomu na osomu a na mo pia na ekọ osomu na pia na ekọ sa na ekọ no. Okay, so through that minyanete so on showboy only showboy in to say showboy there before showboy there na me Martin din ba na me nim showboy until true junior so na mo hu showboy na true junior and ma me do showboy say me share no say showboy ni because the kai last time na me wo adwuma mu and I will know ne Chris Wado ne like junior ne Chris Wado eba adwuma mu kra belje aso belje bibi wo me ho adwuma mu ache sometime be like something like that asana mo ye the omoko until like that's how I get to meet so that's the first time cry me share Wado ne showboy yeah. And on Tokwano, I say you were there. Coverage in the Babonton, I had people saying Junior is a rural, my prime staff. One rural, no, then and Tokwani Sibasa. I want to come to be honest, no, Namo Jamaica. Okay. Namo Jamaican, Tokano, I'm a Tokano starting Namo Jamaican tea. junior friend me catch me say only Showboy akonya ntokwa na say ne ko bae no na busa so won cheche me mu na say na o ma rush to the hospital na me catch say ne sade a na Jamaica na me time no kwa nya nso enti me change me flight no na me ba the next day no because of family na asa ya enwumre ne ntokwa ne see se video no ba bon ti so hu ya na enwumre na video ne see enti me ba no papa me free Jamaica I fly back to US anopa and I'm call baby and no
the junior can the Murphy can I ask to be my boy too much because obi a Jamaica na incident minti what team are changing flight no was about back to US all because of say umiano I involved in and Tokobia was have the Neba hospital and from there now even the hospitals as in no and then I catch a junior about Sawone Showboy and Tokwa because a lead to prison is saying Showboy is in jail. And then I'll catch no unjai the oil and I say were you in support of or the junior or the Showboy Echo prison?
But then I wasn't in support of it. Say Obama when you are prison and I say but any junior and my Showboy called prison.
I have 4 any T4 Yako say Meme TB you see junior and I'm a young boy and I'm this guy Showboy akoda prison onwa ne gina mu ehwema ye de no kotum enti you assume neti ewiase no yese ka kum ana ta gina kokuo num de ote ho enanim ho asem anya de ote ha mementi obi enti me busa Murphy no so eye hwan na maye de Showboy ekọ prison ya jailing 10 years.
Okay, I didn't cry woman and says that I'm not junior, I want me honum, junior, many junior, and no junior will me feel it. Omo letters, no, not a family honum. Okay, it's junior new honum crana, letters the bar, Showboy, dear, or junior, dear, or home ready. Now my friend junior, my catcher, and say, let us see, Naba. It's junior catcher, me say, one of the one, so be dear, some way, in some way, crano, stressed it too much. Obinya crana, a year before, but make a CC. But not Showboy so sorry and I say I think say we in the social media no when too much said the I say I'm out for be who say or against any but America no and tesa me catch junior say me I personally told junior say for Showboy o lawyer no junior Showboy and o lawyer no kasa na mu nyina mo the same lawyer ka Showboy junior e catch Showboy ka Showboy tie junior ka Showboy and they up in prison the whole secret be say ka mu nyina nya one lawyer say and I'm call court honum no and I court no can say a lawyer no can say oh my client ni junior my client ni Showboy and we and see woman tell me even though say me and my client no mo na asem no me and media ma we eti me yi asem na ko fie me no mu mienu betena se beka de ka junior abone hospital base ni nyina no me ma me other client na odi bem no Showboy no atwia aka ni nyina ma junior ka that was the best way, the best solution now. Showboy can lead up to prison.
Nessa utie the Murphy kana. Onwama tikopo. We no ono anka so go si akona na de ne tiri ko di akere ma enye junior na ma yachi Showboy etum. Cause enkoma Murphy di ne seka Showboy ne tie the junior kan na ko ba fi na ko settle issues na anka Showboy enko jail. That was just by the way. Boy Murphy. Enti entokwa see Showboy ewo prisons ma Showboy treat say ono no kwa na okọ inside no junior obe chiesika which is I think the 10,000 or $100,000 I'm a bullet junior and what you know like who feel saying
who crowd you show who crowd you show because here now said we no be kukra no kaze twen na obe hu kra na no kra ya asem kese etime de me tese and me mani anje to be honest no me catch a junior say yo American you obi catch us say or the $10,000 are to on top of you like Charlie and skaketwa because if you want ma it take a long time and selling panokra who's at $10,000 no it will be one ma America will be to me a cool crowd with peswa one city painting no $1 in pedu obi met ma twitwa be si so say o de ne
send e ti ID agro no mo di tu ne di agro
o de ti say de ka Ghana ko be awia o sika one city wia o say wa fam one city now the boss no o de ono dia bia ni ho no mo o de tu be ba be si so fama me na wa twetwe keke fama me na su san hotel
na ti say asema Showboy e kan ye ya any nansa any jina amanfo bio ekoko junior no wo Murphy first time I want to say junior wo na yetu no one like the timba wadwinem
but then nyame anim no first time I met you na no Showboy again by me because that's what he said and obia wo Ghana bia te obia on social media bia o follow Showboy o follow junior bia no o te ye nyina nti obia obefrɛ me bia no obia first no obia kan say Murphy eye Showboy dey na Showboy dey na am say enyante yenime but me so sa na ma adwene so ye den eye me etimu de munya botre na ye nhwɛ de besie na ye humu no kra ewo mu
footage be bab on TV, which is it was in the video form, but Tamaye Bullet Junior, I think it was a bizarre flashback. Be sound of Sono, and then Abuchiri, which is US in 24 years.
I know the Muguso investigation as to.
And a picture be bab on as much as a junior down for Bakubi, and also who say,
and there were no, I know and yes, our guy now. Because I think say guy no crowd didn't see not only America. Okay. I no only only Philly. Okay. Yeah, no only Philly no camp baby crowd no ko ball the ball be crowd Jimmy Sikebi into one crowd na only just no only around the crowd no crowd take crowd no school crowd so free. They will say then he say in the SC.
More few ni ma catch you. You say the entire junior bar Philly no. Mickey Millie in you be na Asia which is junior Shiano, and also person who Mickey Millie, and not just Mickey the more Philly. And through that, any lady junior a man about Philly, no crab any woman.
I know crack. Do be because a junior Shia will be no can't say San Maniamano. You see a senator, if you want to do too much. I know crack. Junior, me na me junior about Philly. Me na me junior satam kwa na junior kwa no ono onim omeli baabia onim che say like me na obaye no like na onim omu bia baabia but junior no a hard guy oba ono no like obo hard no ye like ono out and also pe enije kakra and I feel so I to say kroma Ghana obeso hia sa akode ana say obeso hia big artist bia ana say o like obi obeso hia ni bia no utimo say uta concert after concert you know omo baby a backstage be obetuma no mo ko twetwa pictures and the more na nipa no betumi na twetwa picture ba ko mienu miensa na bia wo no feel vibe no feel steez na I mean like who betumi any nanya like personal contact be let's say na niam no
mo fiwe otie se wante dia na me catch omo che se mekimeli so ebe ka se since ono no na ni fi a o America hono black boy a watimi spend a match and now this kind of diagoro a junior what is our statement no
me titi bi sawa bonten
junior unia na hu se oni Mickey etwa picture on Fabulous etwa picture on DJ Khaled etwa picture no usruma na say cause